Huge controversy breaks out over VHP leader Praveen Togadia's alleged anti-Muslim remarks in Gujarat. The RSS defends Togadia, says he spoke no such thing, but Togadia is on tape. Are people like Praveen Togadia and Giriraj Singh hurting the Modi campaign? Why hasn't Togadia been arrested? And why is Narendra Modi silent on the comments of Giriraj Singh, a BJP leader? Well, the Election Commission has stepped in and asked for a recording of VHP leader Praveen Togadia's highly controversial remarks in Bhavnagar, where he's heard telling Hindus how to throw out a Muslim house owner from their locality. The comments have been completely denied by Togadia earlier and by the RSS, which today called them fabricated. But there is a video of what Mr. Togadia said, where he is clearly seen and heard. And while the BJP has distanced itself from the comments, the fact is the Gujarat government has yet to take action against Mr. Togadia.
पहला एक मकान ऊंची कीमते खरीदવું અને પછી અડધી કિંમતે હિન્દુઓના મકાન ખરીદવા આ સ્ટ્રેટેજીનો હિસ્સો છે અને રોકી કઈ રીતે શકાય તો રોકવાના બે રસ્તા છે એક રસ્તો સરકાર डिस्टर्बिंग एक्ट लगावे जे अमदावाद एवा बधामां लगावडाव्यो छे एवो एक्ट लागे तो हिंदू मेजोरिटी विस्तारमां मुसलमान मकान नहीं खरीदी शके। मैं पहला आવું करेલું છે અને આવો મકાનનો કબજો લાંબો સમય મારી પાસે બજરંગ દળના બોર્ડ દ્વારા રાખ્યો હતો। મુસલમાનના પૈસા ગયા મકાને ગયું કોર્ટમાં કેસ લડ્યા। આપણી બહુમતી છે ત્યાં કાયદો હાથમાં લઈને ડરાવવાની તાકાત હોવી જોઈએ।
VHP leader Praveen Togadia's insightful hate remarks. He was speaking to residents of Bhavnagar, a town in Gujarat. The remarks come 2 days after Giriraj asked anti-Modi protesters to go to Pakistan if they didn't want to vote for Modi.
और रात को 11 बजे कोई मीटिंग नहीं थी, प्रोटेस्ट था, मैं जा रहा था, 1000 लोग खड़े होकर घेर कर आ गए और उन्होंने कहा कि दबाव देकर धमकियां देकर मुसलमान हमारे घर खाली करवा रहे हैं, आप मदद करो। मैंने कहा कानून का मदद लो। तो लोगों का दबाव से मुसलमान मकान खाली करवा रहे हैं। मुसलमानों का मकान किसी ने खाली करवा रही है नहीं है, कानूनी प्रक्रिया से उनकी चिंता सब मिलकर करें।
Giriraj's remarks were condemned by the BJP, but with Togadia, denial seems to be the order of the day. First, Ram Madhav of the RSS, who tweeted, "It was another media fabrication that the RSS supported Togadia's speech. Firstly, we disapprove of any discrimination on the basis of caste and religion." He also said that Togadia had denied making the statement. And then the BJP, who washed its hands of Togadia, but also slammed the media's alleged distortion.
भाई प्रवीण टोगडिया भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हैं क्या? पहले तो ये बता दीजिए, प्रवीण तोगडिया जी के स्टेटमेंट पर जो कुछ कहना था, मेरा ख्याल वो बयान आ चुका है। आई कंडेम पीपल हु स्पीक विदाउट रिहर्सिंग वेल एंड विदाउट थिंकिंग, and I also condemn those who twist and turn the statement.
Other parties too, including BJP ally the Akali Dal, reacted strongly.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्रवीण तोगडिया का तो इलाज होना चाहिए, उन्हें हॉस्पिटलाइज करना चाहिए। एक दूसरे के इलाके में जमीन नहीं खरीद पाएगा तो ये संविधान के खिलाफ तो है ही।
Ironically, there has been no love lost between Mr. Modi and Mr. Togadia. The BJP's prime ministerial candidate arrested Togadia when he was protesting demolition of temples done for widening roads in Gujarat.
While on one hand Narendra Modi tries to hard sell his development agenda, on the other hand voices within the BJP as well as the Parivar have often left the BJP red-faced and have given its rivals once again an opportunity to corner the BJP with.
So will the BJP take this opportunity to take stern actions against the Sangh's loose cannons, or will these remarks make things even more difficult for Narendra Modi? With Rohit Bhan in Ahmedabad and Siddharth Pandey in Delhi, Rohit Rajan for NDTV.